of the best application, if not the best application for tracking storms. And you guys know it's storming month, so this application is the best application to check weathers and everything relating to the storms and everything, guys. So make sure to watch the full video so you can know how to use this application here and track the weather. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So this is pretty much the home screen of the application. So make sure you set it up, make sure you enable your location, so it pretty much will track the nearest storm if it's storm month for you, or it will just pretty much track the weather for you guys. So as I can see, I'm pretty much in Jamaica, so I'm currently having a storm. So this is pretty much how the application tracks these storms for you. So if the storm is good distance from you, it will track it for you, and you can see all the progress of the storm, or let's say any weather at all. So down here you have the time option. As you can see here, you can scroll back and see how the storm is traveling. So as you can see here, you can just swipe back, and you can also tap on this play icon here to pretty much see how the storm is traveling towards your country, or if it's even not going to your country, or whatever the case is. As you can see here, this is pretty much the prediction of how the storm will travel to my country, which is Jamaica. Prefer Jamaica, guys. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can see here. So the latest update, I can stop on this, is pretty much the storm being here. And if I tap on this here, or tap on the icon, you can pretty much see the storm information as it relates to how fast the storm is traveling. Also the category of the storm as it progresses to my country, as you can see here. Also, if I tap on the information option here, as you can see, it will give you the latest update as it relates to the storm in your country, pretty much directly from the news. And as you can see here, we'll just give you an update based on the news information and everything. So you can always go ahead and check out that as well. But as you can see here, it also gives you a future prediction as it relates to the storm, the categories that going to be in, and so forth. As you can see, it's going to be a category 4, which is crazy. And it looks like it possibly be a category 5, guys, which is crazy by Monday. So hopefully not, it doesn't go past that or anything. So yes. And over here you can tap on the search icon to pretty much search for any storm other than just that storm there. As you can see all the active storms out there, as you can see. And you can also pretty much show your location, which help you to track the nearest storm, or any storm at all that is near to where your country is. So as you can see here, the recent ones, and as you can see here, quite of the active ones that are here. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if you tap on this, I would say shooting icon here, will pretty much ask for location and support, but it will pretty much ask for a specific location, but you don't have to do that. You can just simply just track it simply. So down here, may see a satellite icon. You can tap on that to pretty much change some settings, meaning the temperature, the winds, and so forth. So if I tap on wind here, you can pretty much see the wind forecast of this here, but it will show at the top here where it says the information of the storm and so forth. So you pretty much won't need to change that feature. But if you're going like to say the temperature and so forth, you will need to change it. And as I can see here, you got temperature of everywhere in the world. So as you can see here, the temperature. Now let me just go back. You can also adjust the satellite to HD if you want it to be more clearer. And as I can see, I get a HD setup here. So very, very good. And down here, as I said before, is just you can track the travel of the storm and the prediction of it. So as you can see here, guys, so very, very easy application to use. So use the track the storm, guys. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So anyone can use this application here to track if there's any storm heading near their location, their country. So you guys can get yourself ready and be safe. So at the bottom here, you may see this icon here. You can tap on hotspots, too much active storms and so forth. But those are settings most of you won't go near, but these are just some simple settings which I'm showing you guys, which will let you know about any storms that head into your location that you may want to know of and get prepared for. So that is pretty much it for the application. And if you have the pro subscription, you're gonna have settings like time zone, time format, and the forecast summary. If you want it daily or even hourly, you can get it as well. Also the playback, meaning how the storm is traveling, you can either increase the speed, let it move a little bit faster and so forth. Also you got the satellite animation, the duration and so forth. Some different features which can enable, let's say you're in the Eastern Pacific Ocean area, can enable notification if there's any storm nearby and within that area and so forth. Also you can change the theme and so forth. Some of the settings that probably most of you would want, some of you would want. So nothing much. So these are the pro features settings. So that's really pretty much it for this app. Very good app for tracking storms, especially in the stormy months. And if I've missed anything at all, please comment below and stay safe out there, guys. And with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and pray for Jamaica.